Hey everybody, welcome to Driving with John. Do you ever lose your internet? Have you ever lost signal in the worst places at the worst time? Do you live in an area where your signal is really horrible? Well, today I'm going to be reviewing a product that I'm excited about as a YouTube trucker because I have that problem all the time when I'm on the road and at home. My Wi-Fi is horrible. I can't even stream on my own TV. So today I'm going to test this product right here to its farthest limits. I'm going to see what it can do, what it can't do. And make sure you watch to the end because I'm going to let you know what I found. I'm going to show it all on this video and you're going to be able to see as much as I do. At the end, I'll let you know what I think and if I'm going to keep it or not. So now we're going to do the unboxing. While I'm opening the box, I want to go over some details with this that got me really excited about this particular unit. It has up to 200 megabytes per second speed, unlimited unthrottled internet service, starting at only $49 a month with Friends of Nomad plan. If you go down in the description, you'll find a link that'll take you there. And if you use Driving with John discount code, it will definitely get you 10% off. I'm really excited about this being out on the road. It should save me a ton of time. That's interesting. Let's see what's inside. Little buckles. A little pocket in the front with what looks like a charging cord. And a C plug-in. Looks like a C. What else is in here? Oh, and then a couple of ports with, again, a C to a C or a USB to C. Alright, so that's what's in the front pocket. Let's see what's in the top. Oh, on the top it looks like they have the guessing that's the modem or the router, which it would be called. And this is the, oh, that's the battery. Oh, here's the modem. Okay, so that's the battery. This is the modem. It looks like you can actually charge things off of the battery also, which is kind of convenient. Awesome. 60,000 milliamp hours. 22.5 watts. Wow. All right. And this, I'm guessing, is a power cable of some sort. So there you have it. So you have the mobile unit itself. You have a battery, power cable, backpack with accessory battery cables and other plug-in capabilities there. With this new steering stack, so it's travelable, which is going to make definitely my life easier on the road. I mean, as you can see here, it says the battery lasts for 1 week. 1 week of battery power, which again, is handy on the road. All right, so let's activate this thing and test it out. My first part of the test is I wanted to run test speeds on my cellular service versus my home service, which is my Wi-Fi at home, versus the Nomad Air service. As you can see, my home service is more set up for business than it is residential, but this is Nomad Air. It easily, by far, outperformed the other two. For the first device, we're going to use the MacBook Pro. As you can see right there, it's hooked up to the proper network. Pull up a video. Let's hit play. So with one device, you can see it's working. All right, for the second device, you see that one's running. The second device is now hooked up to right there, the proper one. And now we have two streaming. Okay, for test number 3, we're still streaming on the I'm doing this for a reason. I'm showing you every single device, the network it's hooked to, which is the Nomad network, and that it is working. I'm going to continue to do this with each device. In the background, you can watch it and see how many devices I can get up to. Put it down in the comment section. How many devices do you think this network could actually handle? Keep watching because it may blow your mind. I also want to bring up at this point that if you're a camper, if you like to go camping, if you like to, go out and travel, take daily road trips, or if you live in a remote area, out in rural areas, which I grew up in a rural area, and I know the internet is a real problem there. So I will be also letting all my family members know about this product myself. But if you live in any of those situations, or you're a truck driver like me, where you're going in and out of areas that have little to no internet service, this product is really, really good for that. So if you're interested, go down in the bottom in the description, click on the link, and just check out their website. See if it's something that will work for you. And remember to use discount code drivingwithjohn, driving_with_John in your discount code for 10% off. This unit is going to be a complete game changer for my channel. I'm telling you, this testing is going very, very well. I also want to let you guys know that the setup was extremely simple, literally seconds. It was plug and play. It was already activated when I received it. It was ready to go. It took me a matter of less than 60 seconds to get it working. After it found the network, which took approximately a minute or two, it was ready to roll. I think it says to give it up to 30 minutes, but it only took about a minute or two to actually hook to a network. Your eyes are not deceiving you. It's up to 9 devices streaming all at the same time. Comparison to my home network, which I have trouble just streaming one show on my main TV. So this is really blowing my mind. Keep watching. How many devices do you think I can get up to? If you're enjoying this video and this type of content, make sure you do subscribe and share it out to your friends, and make sure you do ring the bell. I'm going to remind you that you can get a discount if you use Driving with John, driving_with_John at the website, and the link is in the description below. I'm really excited about this because it takes me days sometimes to upload videos or to do the research I need to do to put out a video. Whatever your situation is, whatever you use the internet for, gaming, streaming, making videos, this is definitely useful. 12 devices, and I'm pretty much tapped out. I don't have any more devices, so let's do a speed test. See, with all of that running, how we're going to do here. So that's with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cell phones, 2 switches, 3 laptops, and a main TV streaming videos from YouTube all at the same time. Oh wow, look at that. Alright, so we have 84.7 for download speed and upload at 5.15, as all of those are still streaming. So there you have it, 12 streaming devices. Speed test showing still good numbers, and this is in an area where I get horrible Wi-Fi at my house. My signal is okay, as I showed you the speed test earlier from my cell service. So guys, I'm excited to use this on the road. I see lots of upside with a battery power that lasts a week. It's mobile, just in this backpack, which is awesome. And on top of that, I can take it everywhere with me. So I can upload my videos for you guys more often, with better quality, faster. I think that's an awesome win-win-win-win situation. There is one thing that I wish that they would have done, and has nothing to do with performance. I wish they would have sent an instruction sheet for the battery pack. They didn't. I figured it out, but I really do wish they would have. So I'm going to give this 2 thumbs up. And you better check it out. The link's down in the description. Make sure you use my discount code, which is right here. And we'll see you on the next video, everybody.